So this is the Sentinel Plan 2, which I think is one of the most beautiful and sophisticated floor plans in the whole neighborhood. With gorgeous hand-troweled walls and high kick plates, the arches, the architecture, the beamwork in this floor plan is phenomenal. There's a new dishwasher, there's gorgeous new built-ins. They also added a $9,000 whole home water filtration and water softening system, and a Wi-Fi new digital thermostat, and also home security system. The sellers recently installed a new pool pump and wiring, as well as a new digital app to control the pool and the jacuzzi from their phone. Also, you'll notice the gorgeous new hard-lined fire pit with cobalt glass and the distressed wood and installation of the Del Sur room. With brand new landscaping and drip irrigation throughout the front and the backyard and the side patio, along with the installation of the new kitchen and overhead pergola and lighting, there is just really nothing left to do on this house. It's perfect. This is the Sentinel Plan 2. My name is Ann Schreiber with the Schreiber Team in Compass. Call us at 858-367-8471.